Better you than me. There we go. In the arc. That will go all the way again. That's Hazratullah's go-to shot. Didn't, again, for me, catch it 100%, but still the strength of that shot, taking it over the boundary line for a Shږیزی.
Abdullah Mazari's first ball of the Gulbahar Afghanistan Premier League, and he goes the journey. And again, and that's even further. Oh dear, welcome to the bowling crease.
Well, finally, Hazrat hitting the middle of the bat, the sweet spot. And yes, Mazari, welcome to the Gulbahar Afghanistan Premier League. That's what's going to happen. He's got a crabby kind of action, darted it in, but it was in the arc, and Hazratullah, well, he just said, I'm going to take hold of this by the scruff of the neck. Terrific shot.
It's down the leg side. Quite unusual there, actually, a wide. 6 more. Oh, goodness me. Unbelievable hitting. They've all gone in roughly the same area.
So Kabul doing to Balk what Balk did to them. I think that just about stayed inside the stadium, so a ball saved now. 6-6, wide 6. Remember, Balk took 33 off one, 32 off another. We got 19 now, 3 balls to go, beg your pardon. Of course, he now goes over the wicket. And should get the same treatment up in the air, this time on the offside. No cover there, over long off. Wow, Hazratullah ځاځی. This is what we expect.
They couldn't, could they? 245 they're chasing. They made a flying start. Oh, another one! Goodness me! You just wouldn't believe it, would you?
Almost hit the cameraman high up on the deep mid-wicket side, just to his left. Lucky that he's okay, but the ball's out of the park, so the ball box will come on in, and Mohammad Nabi might be chewing that gum a little harder right now, saying, oh, hang on now. Are we going to be chased? 245? No! Hazratullah, 50! In only 12 deliveries. There has to be some kind of a major record here. Hazratullah ځاځی, fabulous innings. While we were just admiring the 6s, he's gone to 50. Brian's going to check this for sure. Only 12 deliveries. And up again into the night sky. He's done it. 6 sixes in the over. Welcome to T20 cricket. Mazari can only smile. Had been taken apart. This is history. And Hazratullah ځاځی has joined a very select band.
Oh, goodness me. I feel really privileged to have been here to see this. And that almost cleared the pavilion. And Mazari, well,